In this video, I'll show you how you can make a Canadian payment on the TD Bank Canada's Easy Web. So you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, first of all, what you have to do is just go ahead and log into your TD Bank online banking. And then after that, you want to come to the account page. Once you come to the account page, here you'll find the section that says Pay Bills. You want to simply go to the Pay Bills section, where you need to basically just click on the option of your pay, such as a pay is someone who you selected to actually pay the money to. So just select your pay over here. Once you select the specific pay, here you'll find the option called Pay Selected Pays. You can select multiple if you'd like. Then after that, you have to choose the payment details, such as from which account you want to transfer the money to. Enter the amount that you would like to transfer, set a frequency, which is your time, and then you also want to make sure to select your weekly or monthly, everything under this every drop down list. Then you have the starting date from month to date format to the year format, and you can also choose the end date and the after and when you cancel this payment, depending upon when you cancel the payment. Keep in mind that as long as you do not cancel it, you're always going to get charged and the money is going to be automatically deducted to that specific person. And after you do so, just click on the next button from the bottom. Now again, you'll find the section where you need to basically click on the finished option. And once you do that, you can see you have successfully made your payments. And that's how you can pay Canadian bills using TD Bank Canada Easy Web.